Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam POV, and the title of the video is "Woman Robs Local Gas Station with a Machete, Gets Locked In." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On September 1st, 2022, officers responded to a local gas station called the Golden Pantry in reference to a shoplifting in progress. The thief was locked inside the store with the almost $100 worth of delicious food she was attempting to steal. And yes, this is the same gas station from previous videos. I'll leave a link in the description for the other encounters and at the end of this video.
What's going on? Did you pay for any of it?
Yes,
Huh? All right. She said something about you having a knife. What's with the knife? But don't touch it. Don't touch it, because you touch it, we're gonna have a whole nother set of issues, okay? All right. So, what's your name?
Mine's Kiana.
Kiana?
Yeah, don't touch it, boy. You might get hit with something that you might not be able to come back from. You might have to get hit with that act right. Don't touch that knife now. Don't. Hey, be easy. Be real easy. But honestly, man, damn, she not too bright, man. That's smart though, about the cashier locking the doors and stuff like that, because I've seen that happen a few times, like where like guys try to rob like luxury stores and stuff like that or whatever, and they'll lock, they hit the button and lock the doors so that way they can't, or like little corner stores and stuff like that, and people can't get out, so they stuck until the cops come. That'd be smart, I ain't gonna lie.
So, did you not pay for any of this?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
So, you didn't pay for any of it? Huh?
Just like the rest of them.
Just like the rest of them. So, you're saying nobody's paying for stuff? Is that what you're trying to say? Okay. Okay. Well, put your stuff right here on top of this cooler, okay? Backpack and all, okay? Backpack and all. All right. So what's your name? How do you spell that?
It's J-I-A-N-A.
What's your date of birth? 94?
What are you doing? Why are you in here messing around? 7-2 Central. It's going to be kind of.
So you went up here and let her scan all the stuff and then just walked out.
Oh.
Or tried to walk out before somebody locked the door on you. Okay. What were you doing with the knife?
That was just for text. I basically just walked from,
So what were you doing with the knife while you were here?
That's just what I was like, walking from class from where I was at in my house.
Okay, so
I see what he getting at, and I know we only 2 minutes in and I paused it 2 times, but hey, bear with me now. Listen, I got some things to say, but I see what the cop is getting at here, because she committed a crime with the weapon, even though she may not have pointed the weapon. I don't know yet. We haven't watched the rest of the video, but her being a female walking around at night and stuff like that, I do think, you know, people do gotta have some form of protection on them and stuff like that. Now, I don't know about a knife or whatever, but I mean, it is dangerous out here and guys are creeps. So I can see her having it just for protection, but you went and try to rob the gas station with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, having it on you, you may not have actually used it. Like, give me it, give me it, give me. You know what I'm saying? She ain't did none of that. You know what I mean? But you happen to have it on you, so it makes it a little bit more sticky.
did you have it in your hands at all while you were in here?
No, I just set it down right here. That's it.
So you got like $90 worth of stuff right here, and you was trying to walk out the door with it. I mean, I understand trying to eat, but $90 worth of stuff at the Golden Pantry.
Where'd she go?
She's at that cooler right there.
I'm gonna go talk to her. Keep on sitting there for a second. Right. Tell me what was going on with her. Yeah, what was she doing?
So she's walking around getting her stuff. And then, then she was saying, that's not your ID. So I don't have ID. So you see it right now. But then we called her wrong. No, we can't.
Mm-hmm.
And then she has this knife that's sitting on the ATM. She's walking around like twirling it around. They're like getting close to the counter. I don't want her barred. I don't want her getting here no more.
Do you want to press charges for the shoplifting?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Kiana, hold on. Stay right here. Don't even try. You got in trouble for shoplifting before? You ain't never been arrested or given a ticket for shoplifting? Ever? I'll find out.
373 Central. I'm out with 7-2. Can you tell me if the subject has a history of shoplifting?
Yes. All I need is 25.
Good Lord. What'd you ask him?
Huh?
What'd you ask him?
She has a history of shoplifting? Shoplifting history?
Central, can you tell me if she's barred from here or not? Clear, go ahead and show barred 2 years.
Yeah, I think we're all right.
Damn, my boy real happy over here. Hold on, he must have just got a. Yeah, listen, my boy that just walked past, man, he real happy, bruh. He must have just got him some of that kitty cat, boy, or something. He must have got him something. You see how he came up in there smiling?
Of shoplifting? Shoplifting history?
Ooh, yeah, he just got him something fresh, boy.
Central, can you tell me if she's barred from here or not?
Yeah.
Clear, go ahead and show barred 2 years.
Yeah, I think we're all right, bro. I sound too dramatic.
Yeah, my boy just got him some of that warm apple pie, boy. You see how?
No, it just was sounding worse on the call.
Yeah.
She wants to press charges.
Well, I mean, 1026 till we get the history and everything ran, figure out all that kind of stuff.
All right, Kiana.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs right now, okay? She's going to press charges for shoplifting. Because whether you think people are running out with stuff without paying or not, I don't think that's very likely the case of what's happening. So.
Almost looks fake.
It's not. It's just spray painted.
No. It's a paint that makes it look fake.
It's funny because we're talking about the spray paint being down the street.
Mm-hmm.
Park County School District side.
That belongs to her.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. You're welcome.
Did she, like, when she got in here, did she do anything besides set it down?
No, she just came in, she was grabbing stuff, and then she asked for cigarettes. I said, I need your ID. She doesn't have ID.
Mm-hmm.
So I picked some cigarettes because I need your ID.
Mm-hmm.
And it was like, she got mad. She got upset, and she, like, her boyfriend had that knife in his hand, and they walked in, and then she picked one her eye. And it was getting personally registered. It was freaking me out.
So did she have the knife in her hand at all?
She did. She did.
Like, she had this stuff in her hand? What you need, boss?
What number you on? Oh, it's 7, my
I'll
bad.
transfer it.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
So, like, did she have it in her hand when she had the stuff?
No,
Or
she
before?
didn't have it before. She was grabbing more stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. But, like, after she brought the stuff up here, she
I
didn't
was
have it.
reading it up. No.
And she didn't have it in her hand at all?
She laid it over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she laid it over there before she brought
laid it
stuff over
there
here?
when She was grabbing other stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
And she was trying to walk out the door. It was like $90 worth of stuff.
Yeah. But because of the no ID, because of the, and for the cigarettes, she got upset and decided she just was going to take everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much.
Gotcha.
You can go outside. You want to go outside? Or you want to stay in here?
You can go outside.
All right, come on. Get your bag. Yeah, we can just go over here. You just sit on one push bumper for now till we get, like I said, till we get all your information back.
I got her bag.
Yeah, all that's our personal bag right there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's her backpack.
Yeah.
I'm gonna write down a quick list of everything she's got in here, so it can be on here.
So what was you doing in there? Go ahead, Epstein.
Get some food from
Go ahead, Epstein. Right here.
Ham and cheese. Are they all three ham and cheese?
Yeah, all three. Then she's got Skittles.
Yeah.
Got Oreos, Twix, and Milky Way. There's one. Two cookies.
That's what jumped it up so much.
Okay. Clear, thank you.
All right. Let's just have a seat in the back of my car so I can read something real quick, okay? Here, over here. Kiana. Over here. Just hold it. Let me patch it down real quick, okay?
Cookie dough ice cream with honey.
You know you can't have these, right?
Oh, you pull it?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to pull your pants down.
Double strawberries. Another Skittles.
So Skittles times 2, Twix times 2, or
Twix times
Twix
4.
ice cream times 3.
Yeah, ice cream. Yeah,
And that
that's
was
just
regular Twix.
That's regular Twix.
That's marijuana. That's all I'm using.
You know you can't have that.
Why?
I'm talking about
It's only marijuana in there. It's only marijuana in there. And that's marijuana too, witches.
So Skittles times 2, Twix ice cream times 3. A fudge stripe cookie.
And this is my buddy right here. He knows me from Walmart.
I was wondering what the world you was doing over here.
Oreo
Yeah.
ice cream.
They were cutting my hours and management. It's a joke.
Really? $90 worth of snacks? Like, this ain't even. Oh man, you going to jail for real stupid stuff, man. $90 worth of snacks, Reese's, and ice creams? Like, who does that?
There's a lot of crap going on. So
And then
I decided to leave and come here. And I love it here until this, you know. Yeah.
And then 2 Reese's, one king size, one super king.
Very interesting night. And it was a large fountain drink too. I poured that out though.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, like she was just grabbing stuff and coming up here and I'm scanning it and I'm like, okay, you know, and then she put her card in and declined it. I said, okay, do you want to?
Do you have any way of saying, like, or being able to look back up what the exact amount was? I know some places can, some places can't.
You might.
Could we scan it?
What you might.
We could. I mean, we could make you scan everything again, but I don't necessarily want to have to do that if I don't have to.
Yeah, see, I won't be able to print everything out. I won't be able to print out the receipt.
Yeah.
Let's see, hold on. No. Yeah. It's showing like.
As long as I have a total, I don't necessarily need to know exactly what everything breaks down to.
89.28. That's what it was. Yeah, 89.28. I won't be here till later tomorrow. My manager Rita will be here, or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Do I need to call her and let her know what happened? Or are y'all gonna like?
I mean, we'll.
Because you know,
it just depending on whether or not we depending on what her criminal history is, we either give her a ticket or we take her to jail. It just kind of depends on the situation.
Well, I want her barred. I don't want her back here.
Yeah, we've already taken care of that part. So all your stuff is over here, so we can.
Okay.
So it can all get. I think I've got it all written down, so I think it.
I'm gonna put it back. It's still okay.
Yeah, it should be fine to put back. There's a few things that are.
They go in there.
I think that
Yeah,
might.
she had
This is
grabbed
the
some
Twix ice
cream. Yeah.
See, there's 3 Twix ice creams and an Oreo ice cream right here.
Yeah.
That all go in there.
Yeah.
And then I think that's all, at least the frozen stuff.
You thought you could try me?
At least everything else is not cold, so I'm gonna see what we got as far as like her history and stuff, and go from there.
Okay.
I'll make sure that we get you a case card and all that before we get out of here,
Okay.
so that you can leave it.
I'll be here 3 o'clock tomorrow.
But at least that way, you know, your boss can have it and they can have it for whatever they need.
So you're gonna bring a police report by or what?
We'll bring a case card by,
Okay,
and then they
case
can,
card.
and then manager or district manager, somebody can go get the police report.
That's hers.
Yeah, I know. We'll figure out what we're gonna do with that here in a minute.
I gotta lock the doors.
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, awesome.
Give me a few minutes to get this stuff taken care of, and we'll go from there.
Just some lighters. Is that all you got on you?
Honestly, I've never seen them do like just take somebody's word for it as the price. Typically, that's a part of it. Like either you rescan everything or they could print it out, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know, maybe they don't have to necessarily print it out, but she could rescan everything and then he could get it on the body cam, you know, what the price of it is, you know, instead of just her taking, you know, him taking her word for that. I never seen that before.
All right, go ahead, have a seat.
Bad or not? Bad or not?
I guess depending on what she's got.
This was her knife that she walked in the store with, but she didn't have it in her hands or anything like that when she was checking out. Or she set it down and then went and started grabbing more stuff. Otherwise, I was about to be like, this is going to be an armed robbery real quick.
Robbery by intimidation.
But, I mean, basically she went up there, asked for, brought all this stuff there. It was like $89 worth of stuff. And then asked for some cigarettes, said she didn't have an ID on her. Lady's like, I can't sell you cigarettes if you don't have your ID. I can't check your age. And so she got upset and decided she was going to take everything that was on the counter, bagged up and everything, and start trying to walk out.
All right. Sounds good.
Works for me.
And then I got here and she was still inside the store. And I was like looking around for this knife. I was like, so where's this knife supposed to? It's right here. I was like, no, don't start grabbing it. We're going to have a whole other set of issues. You start grabbing it. Hold on.
The suspect was booked for theft by shoplifting. What do you think about this?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.